had to take a break because this was just not staying. And good now. Okay. So next we have a series of windows. Usually this side here goes along the bathroom. This, right? So that's gonna go inside. Matter of fact, maybe I'll stick it in first and then apply the glue. Would you like to see what I'm doing? Okay. So there's the, oh, I didn't realize that. Look, see that? That and that. That's what keeps the floor in there. So that's actually a pretty necessary hold there. I did not think this was going to be so difficult. I wonder if the paint had added some thickness to the slot, and that's why it's so difficult to get in. That seems to be better. Okay. That looks good. You know, I was thinking of putting some plastic shades, some paper in here. I think I am going to do that. Let's just get this secured though. Okay. There we go. That goes right underneath it. That does exactly what I needed to do. Yep. Underneath. Hopefully this is going to add thickness to the part here, except I don't think it's going to be bad. Okay, let's do something. You know, I think I do want to add one shade here. Should I add a few shades to each window? That might be interesting. Be right back. Okay, you didn't see that. I tore this off. So we're going to do this. This is just how we're doing it, okay? Why not? Explain it to me. Why not? I want this all the way down. As a matter of fact, I am going to want it to go up a little bit and down. Let's have the blue lines in there just so it's uniform. Because it doesn't have to be, you know, like, so I'll just do it rather than say it, okay? Yeah, it's not perfect. No one's gonna see that part. Okay. I'm just thinking the blue actually might add something to it. A little depth. Because that light is gonna show through it just ever so lightly. Now I don't want to use this crazy plastic glue. Do I? Well, why not? Let's just give it a try. It's going to be really simple. So I'm going to just hold it in place first. Right. You know, I'm going to cut this just a little short. Should be long enough. It's going to sit there. Okay. Matter of fact, hold it like that. Just make sure it's straight. Okay. absolutely terrible. At least I know it will still hold while I can poke at it. I think that works. Okay, I took out that that window. Not that window. That shade I put in. I had some thicker cardstock that I'm going to use instead. It's an off-white color, a little thicker, easier to work with, and I'm going to use wood glue instead of this stuff, because I really don't want to risk it fogging up the windows. So, and another point here is that people had their window shades up or down, depending on how much sun they wanted on their seat. So we're going to make separate ones and glue them in separately. So yes, time on these projects. Is that the adjacent? No, okay. These things do take a little longer than usual. Or I should say, longer than you think. Why? Because you start thinking about all the details that are involved here, and you realize there are really infinite possibilities, because life is like that, right? So we really do need to be cognizant of what life has to offer, because we want to model that in our railroad. I just eyed these. I didn't measure these, so I hope it's not going to overshoot this here. That's a little short. I mean, a little long. Actually, you know what it is? It's not that. It's the corner. So I'm going to cut the corner off and then put that back in. Oh, damn it. No, that's right. Just because there's a piece that is... Would you like to see what I'm doing? Perfect. Okay. Let's just let's make these two. Just a little down just a little bit, right? So it's probably about that wide. Okay, I'm just gonna do this by eye. Okay, all right. Oh, we also need to measure the distance from the top here. I definitely want this at least half. So I'm going to cut this in half. Then that leaves for me a half piece for another window. I'm going to just do this then. Okay. See how that looks. Oh, that's kind of nice. Or if I get that a little higher. A little higher. Well, that's okay. Okay. Let's put another one that's just kind of semi-down. How about like this piece right here? So we do want to show off the interior, so we don't want to totally, you know, blank this out. But see how this fits in here. Got to tell you, these cheap tweezers, get them anywhere really. It's probably 10 cents on Amazon or something. I don't even know where I got these, but they are handy when you start doing projects, even electronics. I studied electronic engineering for a little while, and just picking this crap up, you know, man. Especially when you get older and your dexterity starts going down the toilet. Just gonna fix this with my hand. There we go. There we go. Okay, looks pretty good. I almost want to make like a full window shade that's like broken and hanging sideways. Wouldn't that be fun? But then you'd have to have the roll on there, and you know. Let's do one more little partial shade. So tell me this isn't fun, right? I mean, boy, I just really enjoy stuff like this. Okay, got that there. Not a high budget, standard scale railway. These little narrow gauge railways were, I call them Wild West because they were just wild. Quick and dirty. Good enough. Good enough. I am going to just pull this side down just a tad. Okay, we're just going all over the place now. You know, I almost kind of like that. Should I leave that? That does look kind of funny, huh? Window. Okay. So now, let's say, let's see here. If I do that here like this, okay. About where I started the cut, like if I leave it, if I cut up to here, then that's going to cover the small part of the window, you know, the frame that's open. And let's make this side more like that. So let's start the first one like that, okay? Okay. So that first one's cut. Would you like to see what I'm doing? One like this. Okay, you stay there. Okay. Okay. And then one like this. Now you may be wondering, how do I know it's even? I have no freaking clue, but that's what you do in a Wild West. just don't want to get this dirty with my prolifically messy mat here. And I don't want to scratch these windows any more than they are scratched. Who knows how many kids slobbered and did stuff to it beforehand. I guess I probably should actually clean this, but I don't really think this is going to need any more than up here, huh? I should probably give it like a little bit to dry, huh? Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Okay. Give it some time to dry. Hopefully it won't create a problem with what's going on with this one. This is problematic. We're just gonna good enough. Okay, let that dry for a bit, install it.